Archie, high five. Bravo, high five. High five, hi Archie. Bravo.
Okay, so since y'all really liked me barking at her, I don't know what I say, but let's try it again, see how she reacts. Luna, sit.
One of our neighbors painted their grass green, and then their poor dog turned green too. I thought he looked like the Grinch. Poor thing, he's so old. I thought this was the funniest thing.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Bam, bam. This is my hair wet a little bit, but not wet at all. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like when it's wet. This is my hair wet.
I'm convinced that my sister's dog has the longest eyelashes in the whole world, so if your dog has longer, please duet this. Here are his eyelashes. They're so long. Oh my god. You're modeling them, Ollie. You just modeled them.
When I wake up in the morning, touch his little floofster, see his little mittens, give his nose a boopster, then his tongue comes out and lickety-lickety-lick.
Một ca đâu rồi? Một ca ơi! Một ca ơi! Một ca! Một ca ơi!
Oh! Look at that! Y'all are doing the snoozy time! Y'all are so snoozy! Look, I got you new snooze buddy. His name is Jimmy. Take care of him. Have a good snooze.
You can take a small bite. Just bite the corner like this. You see? Just bite it. Gentle.
Oh, it's lovely weather. I wish the lads were here for a bit of a beveragino.
Someone say beveragino.
Someone say beveragino.
Did someone say beveragino? Take a little beveragino.
Sit. Go play the piano, Millie. Go play the piano. Play the piano. Play the piano. Here you go. Oh, there you go.
Our puppy isn't allowed in the bathroom yet, so I closed the door to brush my teeth. I came out and I cannot find her, not in the kitchen. She's not in this bed, not on the couch. She's not in her pen or outside of it. These doors over here we keep closed. So I turn around and here she is.
Baby, you're like lightning in a bottle. I can't let you go now that I got it. And now all I need is to be struck by your electric love.
When I bought my Jeep, I didn't realize that there was going to be an issue with having no doors. But apparently, this is how you catch dogs. Hi! Who are you? Do you want to go for a car ride?
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
It's peanut butter jelly time! Peanut butter jelly time! Peanut butter jelly time! Here's a little taco.
Okay, pull him out. Beanie, look at his one paw.
Look, you can't go that way. We have to make you go this way. Okay? God. Good.
Beanie, no.
Yay!
Yay,
Oh my god, there's Well, come, but you gotta be quiet. You gotta be quiet. Come here. Shh. Come here. Good boy, come. Shh. Yay! Good boy. Good boy. Thank you.
This is my hair wet a little bit, but not wet at all. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when it's wet. This is my hair wet.
I'm sorry, buddy. Your TikTok followers aren't following you on Instagram.
Now, if your dog will be still and allow you to hold him like this, show me, right? I think he just special. Bear, are you okay? I love you.
Hello. Hello. Would you spin? Good girl. And again. Dotty. Dotty. Will do spin. Good girl. Should you go again? Will do spin. Good girl. Clever Dotty.
Oh, it's not looking.
Here we go. Not gonna mess this up. Not gonna mess this up. Here we go. Ready? Hi.
Don't scroll, don't scroll. Hang on. I have one question. Will you be my friend?
Sit. Good boy. Bobby, spin. Good boy.
Found a stick on the ground and now I'm gonna use it. All this power that I found, gonna totally abuse it. I hit so much stuff, do not get into my way, cause I found a stick and I'm using it today. I got a stick.
This is your first ever puppuccino. Are you ready? Are you ready?
What is that?
Oh,
my gosh.
oh. You like it?
Oh.
I think she likes it.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Oh, don't be suspicious. Don't be.
And I can put it in a bun. And I can put it in a bun.
And I want to apologize to all of you for what I did. It was very wrong and I'm very sorry. I just would like to.
You must choose, Mr. Bond. Get your nails clipped or perish in the river below. What will it be, Mr. Bond?
Come on, dude.
Oh.
I would like to thank you for guarding me while I poop. You took a job that nobody wanted, and you really stepped up to the plate. I salute you.
every time I'm in the kitchen, you in the kitchen.
You know what happened to my heart?
What happened to your heart?
Well, when the first time I told you, when I saw you, my heart fell in love with you.
No, you do not bite. No. No. Are you done? No. No.
You are thicker than a Snicker, heavy like a Chevy. Come here, little mama, let me rub up on the belly. Hey, hey, let me rub up on the belly.
Yeah, good boy. Good boy.
Found a stick on the ground and now I'm gonna use it. All this power that I found, gonna totally abuse it. I hit so much stuff, do not get into my way, cause I found a...
Oh my god. Oh my god, he on X Games, man.
Who are you?
I'm Pam. Who are you?
I'm the owner of this house.
Oh.
Stop. I got that.
Is you Pawnees?
Willow, put on my face.
I'm coming home, coming home. Turn on the room, coming home.
My arms are small, my legs are small, my feet are small, my head small, my eyes are small, my eyebrows small, my nose small, my mouth small, and my belly small, my hiney big.
Just explain to me what happened. Why? Why? You have 10 toys. Done. Both of you.
What you bet? Kiwi! Somebody got carried away. Kiwi! Oh my god. Kiwi, come here!
Brush, brush, brush. Brush, brush, brush. Give me paw. Brush, brush, brush. Brush, brush, brush. Paw. Brush, brush, brush. Brush, 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 brush. Brush, 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 brush. Brush, brush, brush. Brush, brush, brush.
So you're getting your teeth brushed?
Brush, brush. Brush, brush, brush. Oh.